So NotebookLM just got two new cool features update. As you can see, now you can create this type of awesome infographic with NotebookLM, and also you can create this type of awesome slide presentation deck with NotebookLM. As you can see, these are all created by NotebookLM. So we can easily create this type of slides for your work project or any other type of meeting or any type of project that you want create this type of slides and this type of awesome infographics. So I'm going to show you how you can create this type of infographic and also this type of slides for free. Yes, you can use this and try it for yourself for free. So to create a NotebookLM infographic or slide decks, you just need to go to the NotebookLM website, and if you don't know how to use it, just go to this notebooklm.google and try NotebookLM with your Gmail account, and you can create this type of infographic. So click on try NotebookLM. If you're using this for first time, you just need to create a new NotebookLM or new notebook. So I'm just going to create a new notebook, and you can upload any source like PDF file, your text, website. You can also give your project from Google Drive. So I'm just going to give a website link here, which is the Gemini 3 blog article. For example, I'm showing you, I'm going to create a infographic and also a presentation slide from this blog article. So I'm just going to copy it, and I'm just going to paste this, insert, and this will start to create a new notebook according to this blog article. So as you can see, it's created a notebook for me. And if you're old user of NotebookLM, you can see in the studio option, you can see these two new features, which is infographic and slide decks. So let me just show you the infographic. If you just click on it, it will just generically create an infographic. And if you just click on this pen option, here you can find a customization of your infographic. Now you can level up, you can choose the level of detail, concise, standard, or detailed. For example, I'm just going to choose standard, and also you can choose the language, like what type of language that you want on your infographic. You can choose it from here. For default, I'm just going to choose English, and the orientation, like if you want to create the infographic landscape, portrait, or square, like this is in the portrait mode. As you can see, this is the example, and if I choose the landscape for this example, I can choose it. And there's another option is describe the infographic, what you want to create. Like you can also describe what type of color theme or the case stats you want to use for this. Like use a blue color theme and highlight 3 case stats. You can describe here. But for example, I'm just going to click generate, and it will start to create the infographic according to this link that I provide here. And this will take some time. So while it's creating, let me show you how you can also create this type of slides with any sources that you provide, as you can see. So to create the slides, you just need to click on the slide deck, and to customize, click on this pen option. And this is the simple version is the presenter slide, which will create a presenter slides with clean visual slide with key taking points. And this is the detail deck. So let me show you this example detail deck. So this is the slide that I made with the detail deck, which will give you more text and more detailed. As you can see, this will give you more text and more detailed information according to the slides or the information that you provide. And there's another option which is called presentation, which is called presenter slides. And this is the presenter slides. As you can see, this is minimal and simple with less text, which is also pretty cool to use if you have any kind of project that you want to show or share with others. So for example, I'm just going to choose the presenter slides here, and you can choose the length for short, default, or long. I'll choose the default, and has the example of choose language. You can choose any language, and this is the similar to infographic or the describe slide that you want to create. For example, create a deck for beginners using a bold and playful style with a focus on a step-by-step instruction. You can describe anything that you want according to your project. And to create the slide deck, just click generate, and it will start to create the presentation slide or the slide deck for me. So it will also take some time, and both of these options are free right now. You can use NotebookLM for free, and you can create infographic or slide deck for free. They have some limitation. Maybe you can use infographic for 3 times, or you can create slide deck for 2 or 1 time. So our infographic has been ready, which I made with this article here, as you can see, and I created the landscape and here is our infographic, which is pretty good. So this is just infographic about Gemini 3 Pro and what kind of tasks can do Gemini 3. As you can see, learn anything, build anything, plan anything, and all the benchmark that is shared in this Google article. Now this is pretty cool. As you can see, all the text here are using by Nano Banana Pro, so there is no incorrect text here. And if you want to download this, here is the option of download. Click on this and it will be downloaded on your PC with the accurate high quality version, as you can see, which is 5.5. So if I open it in our PC, as you can see, the images are here pretty much high quality, and you can use it for any type of project that you want. So the slide deck or the presentation is generating. So I'm going to skip the video to show you how it's done. So as you can see, our slide deck or the presentation has been created. If I just click on it, this will show you all the slides there, which is created by a single blog post. And if you want to expand this, here's the option, expand the viewer. And now you can see with the simple blog post, I created a very awesome and stunning slide decks or the presentation. You can use this for your meeting or any other project that you want to create. This is just a blog post and turn into a awesome slide here. And if you want to download this, there's the download option. This will download in a PDF version and you can share it also your friend. And here's the play version. If you just play it, you can also control this with your keyboard, and you can see all the images are accurate, all the data and the text are accurate, and also the images are created by Nano Banana Pro. So that's it, guys. This is the video that I want to share with you. This is 2 cool features right now in NotebookLM, which is right now free. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.